Welcome children. Let's continue the brain teaser fifth main. Write down the numeral which is one more than the greatest 5-digit numeral. Yes, you all know that the greatest 5-digit number is greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Yes, what they are asking? They are asking one more than the greatest 5-digit number. That means we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, add 1. Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes, we got 6-digit number. That means this is the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, one more than the 5-digit number is 1 lakh. Got it, children? Okay, let's move on to sixth main. Which numeral has more digits? 5-digit numeral or a smallest greatest 5-digit numeral or smallest 6-digit numeral? Okay, sixth one. They are asking to compare which one is greater here. That means first greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number is greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. See here. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Yes, you know that the digit which has a more, that numeral is greater. It has 5-digit number and it has 6-digit number. Obviously the 6-digit number is greater. So the smallest 6-digit number is greater than the greatest 5-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is greater than greatest 5-digit number. That means therefore 1 lakh is greater than 99,999. Okay, let's move on to seventh main. Here write the standard numeral for. Here they are given the expanded form. We have to write the standard form of this. To write the standard form, first I'll write the places here. Yes, here they are given up to the 5,000 place. So I have written 1000 place. Here 5,000. I'll write a 5 in 1,000 place. Then 100 place is not there. So I'll write 0 here. Then tens place. How many tens are there here? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. And how many ones are there? 3 ones. 3 ones. 5023 is the numeral of this expanded form. Okay, the next one. I'll write ones, tens, hundreds. Here up to 100 is there. So I wrote the places ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in 100 place, how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds are there here. 7 tens are there. Okay, here first we have to add these two because the tens places two 10 places numbers are there, so I have to add this one. See here, 70 plus 15. Okay, here 5 and 8 will come. So here in a tens place I have to write 8 here, 8, and in ones place 5. Got it, children? How I wrote? Otherwise you can write the expanded form is nothing but the sum of the expanded numbers, isn't it? You can write, you have to add these three numbers and you can write the numeral directly. Got it, children? If you add all the three, you will get a 685. Okay, next one. 10,000. Okay, here in a 10,000, 70,000 is there. So I'll write a 7 in a 7,000. 10,000. Next, in a 1,000 place, there is no number here, so I'll write 0 in the 1,000 place. And how many hundreds are there? 7 hundreds are there. So I wrote a 7 here, 7 tens and 7 ones. That is 70,777 is the numeral of this expanded form. Let's move on to the 8th main. Write down the periods and a place of the underlined digit in each numeral. Yes, here they are given the numerals and they are highlighting with the underline that number. We have to write the period and a place for this number. Got it, children? Yes, you all know that in a ones period there will be a ones, hundreds, thousand, and in a 1,000 period 1,000 and a 10,000 place will be there, and in a lakh place, in a lakh period lakh place will be there. Got it, children? Okay, here first we have to write the period. Okay, 9, it is in which period? 9 in a ones period. Okay, I'll show you here once. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds will be there in a ones period, and 1,000 and 10,000 will be in a 1,000 period, and lakh in a lakhs period. This is period and place. Okay, here 9, here 9 in a 100 place. Here I'll write the number also here. See here, 92,958. The 9 is highlighting here. It is in which period? Period means we have to check the top one. 9 in ones period. So I wrote ones in a period column. Okay, 9 is in which place? It is in 100 place. 9 is in which place? It is in 100 place. So I wrote 100 in a place column. Got it, children? Okay, again the second number is 87,215. Okay, the 1 is highlighted here. Yes, 1 is in which place? Ones. 1 is in ones period and it is in tens place. Okay, I wrote ones in a period column and tens in a place column. Got it, children? The third one, 63,049. Okay, here 6 is highlighted. Okay, 6 is in which period? 6 is in 1,000 period. Don't get confused, children. It is in a 1,000 period And it is in which place? It is in a 10,000 place. So I wrote 1000 in a period column and 10,000 in a place column. Okay, again the next one, 1 lakh. Yes, 1 is highlighted here. Yes, 1 is in which period? It is in lakh period and it is also in a lakh place. So it is in a lakh period and a lakh place. Got it, children? Again, the last one, 53,269. 9 is highlighted. Okay, 9 is in which period? It is in ones period. Okay, 9 is in which place? It is in a ones place. So I wrote ones in a period column, ones in a place column. Got it, children? Okay. Again, next one, compare the place value of the encircled digit in the numeral. Okay, here the numeral is 43032. That means 43,032. Here the place value of 3. The place value of 3 in which place? 1000 place. Is what, children? Yes, 3000. Again, the place value of 3 in a tens place. Tens place is what? 30. Yes. Here we have to compare these two. That means 3000 and 1000. These two numbers we have to compare here. The 3000 is greater than 30. Got it, children? Here we have to first find out the place value of 3 in a 1000 place and a tens place. After that we have to compare these two numbers. The last question. You are given some digits below. Form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numeral using each one of these digits only once. See here, what are the digits they are given here? 40593. Okay, first I'll form the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. Okay, to form the greatest 5-digit number, we have to arrange this number in a descending order, isn't it? Yes, the greatest number is 95430. Yes, 95,430 is the greatest number as I formed from the given 5 digits. Yes, now smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. To write the smallest 5-digit number, we have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. See here, if I arrange 0, 3, 4, 5, 9. Is it correct, children? No, it is wrong because we have to form the 5-digit number. So, this 0 comes in a second place. Yes, this is wrong one. So, we have to arrange this one like this. 3, 0, 4, 5, 9. Yes, 30,459 is the smallest 5-digit number. Got it, children? Don't write a 0 first. If you write a 0 first, this number will get, this is the 4-digit number, so we should not write a 0 first. So we have to write a 0 in the second place. Got it, children? Okay. Up to here we have finished the first chapter. Thank you.